We're gonna hit by a wall of rain. You might wanna go back. Yo, I can see it coming in. We're walking into it. What's up, guys? It's 6 in the morning, 6:20 something in the morning, 6:26 in the morning, and I'm going back to the airport. After security, it was super hectic, so I didn't film anything. I got upgraded, getting on the plane. Alright, so I just got to the Southwest International Airport, which is the Fort Myers Airport. Okay. There's a Rolls Royce in the airport. So we're in the car and we're escaping a rain wall that's back there. You can see it. Yeah, it's gonna start raining pretty hard, probably. Alright, so we are now in Fort Myers, Florida. I didn't check the weather before I came here, which is whatever. I mean, it's still warm and it's nice, but here with Adam, and we're gonna play some ping pong and wait for the weather to clear up, and then we're gonna try to go diving or something. I don't know.
Oh, you serve. They're playing video?
This is what we do when it's raining in Florida. We're out here on the beach. It finally cleared up a little bit. It's supposed to rain again, but we're trying to take advantage of the nice, this is like perfect weather. I couldn't. How is it colder in Michigan? That's the question. Colder than Michigan. Yeah, it's hot. Shell. Oh, that's actually really good. Yeah.
I mean, I thought they were, but like.
I think they are. I'm pretty sure that somebody else said that too. Because. Yeah, that's sweet. I mean, no sea urchins. Spines on it. Yep. Yeah,
hell
definitely.
I'm keeping some of those.
Yo, that is so sweet. So we're just finding all of the what's it called? Sea urchin shells, and we're using we're cleaning them off and we're gonna take them home. Yo, they're all over. Wow. I want to find one that doesn't have the needles on it still, that's like in perfect condition. I know. Yeah, that is not a good story. Oh, the crab?
Yeah.
it was. Huh. Look at that one. That's dope. Look at all those chickens! What you want? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, move. We're gonna hit by a wall of rain. We might wanna go back. Yo, I can see it coming in. We're walking into it. It's raining. It's not downpouring yet, but it's getting there. It's we're walking into that big storm right over there. It's not looking good. Probably. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's storming a little bit. Oh, ow, yep, stepped on one. I'm just carrying these. They better not be poisonous. Ow! Hey Adam, your shirt says masturbate and tackle. You ready? Nice. Huh. That is not good. That storm's coming in. Oh no. Comparatively, it's like bright blue and dark. Yo, this looks like Tropic Thunder, dude. You literally look like you're in Tropic Thunder. About to... Okay. Yep, it started raining. Ready? Adam, why'd you take me here? I want everything in here. Yo. Okay, these are dope. Okay,
it's
that's
white
awesome.
though. I can't get white.
Yeah, I'll destroy white. So we're got my curly hair. We are currently going to Hooters, I believe. Yep, it's yep. Hooters, we're here. I haven't been to Hooters in a few years. They got good food though.
Many Tic Tacs later.
Dude, it's clearing up. It's getting, it's finally getting sunny, I think. I'm hoping for a sunset. I'm really hoping for a sunset. So I just want to point out my outfit. I got a bathing suit that has some pink on it. I got my pink shirt, and I have some pink flip-flops because I forgot my shoes. How do you feel about that? Is it a give no f***s kind of thing, or is
yes,
it just
100%?
So we just got back from Hooters. We are back at the other condo complex. I think we're gonna get in the hot tub, and I think I'm gonna be here all night, and then I have to go home tomorrow to go to the airport. Well, I have to go to the airport. I'm gonna be home tomorrow at like 2:30 p.m. and then we have a crazy day planned after that. Adam, the trash chute that way, that's where you go.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Go sleep in the trash. Shoot.
Oh, look at the baby bird. Oh my gosh. Yo, that is... Let me know if the mom's gonna come and peck me. Alright, so we're out here. We're fishing, grabbing, we got the net, and we caught some jellyfish. Look at that. That's dope.